I'm not condemning anybody, but one of the things the brother said, without trying to be a prophet or anything, is self-respect often has to do with how you are taking care of your body. You cannot expect other people to have respect for you when you do not have respect for your own self. Come on, don't get quiet on me now. Don't get quiet on me now. You cannot expect others to take you seriously when you are not taking your own self seriously. If you're putting stuff inside of your body that is binding yourself and directing yourself to death, hell, and the grave, it's time to stop. You know, it's difficult for you to be fussing about what your children are doing when you are doing the same thing, and watch this, modeling it in front of them. Things you would never want your children to do. Look, you don't want your child to die of cancer, yet you sucking up the Newports. This ain't to condemn nobody, but it's what Marcus said. This is what he said. Don't blame the pastor this time, all right? This is Marcus. He said this, all right? You don't want the kids to die of cancer. You know the cigarettes can cause cancer, so how you gonna tell him, how you gonna feel bad when he in the hospital because he's got lung cancer and y'all going back and forth and putting oxygen, all that kind of stuff on him? He learned it, from a truth. He got it right from you. Got it right from you. You know, you want your grandchildren or you want your children to grow up and you want them to be respectable in the community, but there's certain things that you and I are doing in terms of our, as Marcus said, our drinking, our smoking, the weed. He's saying that especially when you got kids, that's what he said, right? Especially once you got married and you had kids, some of that young boy stuff that we was doing, running around and doing, we got to put that stuff down if we want the respect, if we want to be taken seriously or more seriously than we are. You take care of your health, your wife will take you a whole lot more seriously, especially if your health is an issue. You know, you want to be taken more seriously, model certain things in front of your kids that you want your kids to become, the things you want to do, especially when it comes to health. That's where we are right now with health. And if I don't say any clearer, gentlemen, if you're smoking stuff you ain't supposed to be smoking, as part of self-respect, put it down. If you're drinking stuff you shouldn't be drinking, as part of self-respect, put it down. Because you want them to respect you, and their respect for you will greatly increase when they see you have regard for yourself. When they see you value the way you look in other people's face. Most of you will tell me, I don't care what nobody think about me. And so that's why I keep doing what I'm doing. I keep disrespecting myself because I don't care what others think about me. When people see that you care about yourself, what they think, how you feel, what this thing will do to you, their respect, their regard for you goes to another level. Especially when they see all of a sudden you dropping weight because, you know, there's too much weight on you. Man, I got a lot of respect for that brother. That brother put in the work. He dropped 30, 40 pounds. He looks so good. I don't know, man. I know I need to do that. God knows I know I need to do that. I ain't been doing it. If he can do it, I can do it. Come on, I'm talking to somebody. You ever seen that? Somebody who begins to put in the work. They used to do certain things and now they stopped doing it. And you see that they have put in, you can't help but have respect for them, have regard for them because of what they're doing.
Truth is a ministry of Powerhouse International Church. For more information, visit us on our website at powerhouse1.org.